Hi guys, welcome to Unleash and Thrive. Leadership is a big word, isn't it? We all think it is reserved for CEOs, presidents or people who have decades of experience. But believe me, leadership is for everyone. Each and every person who is working out and who is thinking about a team is a leader. You can be a leader. Now, if you have just started off your journey in leadership and would like to know some tips on how to grow, here's the first installment for it. Keep watching this episode till end so that you understand all the aspects of leadership. What is leadership, or I would say what is the first step or a tip, as you may think of, for a good leader? I would say it is lead by example. Be there first for your team. Understand their needs. Leadership is not about just giving instructions, directions and pushing your team. No, there's a big difference. Lead by example, what does it mean? It means you have to go and get your hands dirty with your team. That is how you're going to gain their respect. You're going to gain their trust. They are going to believe that yes, you care for them and they can trust you more. Let's take an example or a short story about a guy called Richard. Richard has been in operations for quite some time, and because of his performance, he is promoted as a operations manager. Now, just have a look how Richard is helping his team. Today is a consignment that is coming in, which is delayed because of so many reasons that happens in the economy. The shipment is so important and they need to get that shipment downloaded, offloaded and pack them and send it to the client. How does Richard manage this situation? The shipment is already late. The team is so frustrated. They are offloading the goods and the manpower is just not as much as it is required. Is short. Richard could see the frustration on the team members, his supervisors. He could have definitely pushed them hard and said, I want it done no matter what you do. You can add people, you do no matter what, and I need it done. But no, Richard takes a different approach. He thinks leading by example is one of the best ways to be a good leader. He picks up those gloves and gets ready for packing the goods. The team is surprised to see him on the floor. They are not used to see managers on the floor. They think, what is Richard doing here? The moment he starts helping his team in packing the goods, and not only that, he helps them to arrange the stores better way and how they can manage this shipment efficiently, this consignment to reach the customer in an efficient way. He stands with the team throughout the day and till late night. This not only gained trust from his team members but also the confidence, the respect for him. Team was so happy, highly motivated and they were able to deliver this job much more efficiently and in less time. It was not about the time or the manpower or the strength. It was about motivation. Richard understood that and he managed to motivate his team by being there himself. Leading by example is one of the key elements for being a good leader. If you are not able to go and do the task yourself, sit there with the team, then you might not be able to get the trust and respect that you are looking for, which any leader needs to be a good leader or to be successful.